everyone. Hello everyone, welcome to KeyPoints. Today I am going to show you the week 2 assignment answer. So these are the question: performing calculation test skills and be feedback. So these are the questions. I have gained 90% of these quizzes. So first question is the open the attached workbook. This workbook in F7 calculate base pay by multiplying the hours by the rate. Copy the formula down to F12. What is the Sandy Smith base pay for the week? Please enter the number only, no dollar sign. So this answer is 1184. Number 2 question is in G7 cell calculate the commission amount by multiplying the base pay by the commission rate. Copy the formula down in G12. What is Deepak Kumar's commission for the week? Please enter the number only, no dollar sign. So this is the answer 39.90. Number 3 question is in H7 calculate gross pay by adding base pay and commission. Copy the formula down H12. What is Steve Pelgimoet's gross pay for the week? Please enter the number only, no dollar sign, 409.34. This is the answer of number 3 question. Number 4 question in I7 calculate tax by multiplying gross pay by tax rate. In this instance, all staff are on the same tax rate. Copy the formula down to I12. What is John MC Gregor's tax for the week? Please enter the number only, no dollar sign. So number 4 question is the number 4 question answer is the 299.35. So number 5 question is in J7 calculate net pay by subtracting tax from gross pay. Copy the formula down to J12. What is Steve Pelgimoet's net pay for the week? Please enter the number only, no dollar sign. So this answer is 294.73. Number 6 question is in cells F14 to J14 calculate totals for each of the columns. What was the total commission? So this answer is 206.09. So this is the answer of number 6. So number 7 question is in cells F16 to J16 calculate an average for each of the columns. What was the average commission? Please enter the number only, no dollar sign. If you know the question answer, you can comment on this video section. I don't know what is the answer of this question. I tried but I couldn't answer it. So number 8 question is in cells F17 to J17 calculate the maximum for each of the columns. What was the maximum gross pay? Please enter the number only, no dollar sign. So this number 8 question answer is 1231.36. So this is the question 8 answer. Number 9 question is in cells F18 to J18 calculate the minimum for each of the columns. What was the minimum commission? Please enter the number only, no dollar sign. So this is the answer of question 9, 15.74. This is the answer of question 9. Number 10 question is click into the branch summary worksheet. First, we want to calculate the total commission for Eden Valley. See the branch column on both sheets. In B6, type in equal sum, then click into pay details and select G7 colon G9, then press enter. Repeat the process and selecting the appropriate cells to get the total commission for Sandown. Use the fin handle to get total gross pay for Eden Valley and Sandown. What was the total gross pay for Eden Valley? So this is the number 10 question. Answer is 220.51. These are the last question answer. Okay, I think you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe, and if you want to next part of this video, you can ask me in the comment section, and please subscribe. If you subscribe and press the bell icon when I upload a new video. If you like my video, then subscribe and click the bell icon.